Hi everyone, R2F back with another Trade Like a Sniper episode, where I walk you through a top-down analysis of an asset and frame a trade using ICT's concepts on a lower time frame. If you want to learn how to do this like I do, check out my other videos on TradingView or on YouTube. And if you want private coaching or mentorship, feel free to contact me on one of my socials. So yeah, watch, pay attention, take notes, and let's get to it. As usual, I'll use the replay tool on TradingView on a random asset, usually starting from the 12-month or 6-month or maybe the 4-month if there's not enough data. So let's pick something. Let's go down, perhaps pick something we've, of course, haven't tried yet, just for the fun of it. Let's see. Okay, I won't wait too long because I know people are impatient. Okay. How about Alibaba? Ooh, I mean, very nice, very nice. But I'll go down to a lower time frame. Let's go down to maybe the 4-month. Start from there. Okay. And there we go. Scrunch it up. Let's go back. Scrunch it up more. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, 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 mo. Okay, here we go. Let's start our annotations. Okay, so got this huge gap here, the 6-month. And I want to see us return to this gap. Okay, I'm going to annotate this, put the middle line in to see, because it's such a huge void. Oh no, it's a 4-month. Okay. Fast forward. Okay, we're in this gap area. All right, I'm just going to highlight this top here just in case we do come down there. That should provide a good amount of support. And we do have an order block in here. And I'm just going to highlight that as well. And just call it this will be 4-month OB. Okay, we are good to go. Let's make this a bit smaller, top right. Okay, let's go down to the monthly. Okay, so what do we have? Wow, even on the monthly, it's quite choppy. All right, let's just see how this month forms. Sorry, there's one more gap here. It's a monthly gap. Let's make it a bit darker so we can see it in here. At this point, I want to go to the weekly and make sure I can see these gaps. All right, so got a gap here. Price came into it, came into this monthly gap. And on the weekly, we have a opening gap here, you could call it. An order block. And we have more gaps here on the weekly. So it's a bit of a discount. I do not want to take a short right now, because I can't go to too low of the time frame, so I can't scalp a short. Okay, so we came into this gap, further gap. Okay. Well. Okay, so we came into this gap here. After coming into here, I want to go to the daily. I'm afraid that's not too much information. Daily opening gap. I want to see if we just come up from here. We in this gap, came down. Okay, we're still going down then. Do we create a gap here? All right, so there's a gap here. There's a gap here too in the form of another weekly opening gap and a gap down there as well. So let's see. Okay, daily seems to be moving up. Do I want to put let's go to the monthly, weekly? Unfortunately, we kind of saw information there. It's the problem using this. Let's say we get in here and let's put our stop below this low. Equal lows, but don't forget this is a 6-month gap or a monthly gap within a 6-month gap. Let's go to the weekly. There's one more gap here. Let's just see if we do come into this smaller gap or not. Okay. Besides this position, I like this gap here. Just gonna highlight in orange. So I want to see price come down into this gap. And it doesn't do it. It's okay. All right, so it didn't come down into this gap. That's no problem. Create a whole gap here as well. No, it might. Okay, let's go see what's on the monthly. Okay, so we got monthly in this gap. There's at the high here. There's the order block. Okay, let's have a look again on the monthly. All right, so we're in here inside this order block. The monthly looks really bearish. Let's say stop loss to break even, just so we don't get wrecked. Okay, this one was stopped out. Didn't hit the full target. Of course, take partials. That's a huge gap there. Let's go back to the monthly. Let's wait for more things on the monthly. Let's take another trade. Okay. Okay, we gapped up. Are we going down? If we're going down more, let's see this month close. Okay, we get that wick there. All right. So it came all the way down here. I think we got stopped out, right? At break even. It's really choppy. Very hard to tell. Not many gaps. Except maybe on the monthly. So let's just stay on the monthly. Okay, there's a nice monthly gap here, but again, I can't go to a time frame low enough to justify a trade in there. Come on. Gonna break the high. Yeah. I love these gaps though. They are lovely. Okay, let's look for another gap to take. Okay, do we come into that one? Okay, I'm gonna look for a short in here. I like these kind of gaps. my signature gaps to be 1 month. This is an R2F gap, baby. This one too. So let's have a look. On the weekly, let's get a short. Let's get a short going. Consequent encroachment on this wick, maybe. I'm gonna go to the daily. It came in today and it's kind of dropping. Let's just say here, stop loss above this high, just in case. Where do we want to target? I don't want to go to the higher time frame yet because I won't be able to. Let's go to the monthly. Let's find that monthly gap. So highest probability target is here at this low. Okay. Almost a highest probability. Highest probability is the body. But these candles are all weird because of how they open. Target 1. Target 2. We could bounce here. But let's just have this as the target. Target 1, target 2. You can always trail the stop loss and add in the position once there's more displacement down. We do come higher. Okay, there's a gap in here. Let's just see how much if we do come into that gap. Come on, I know you want to. I know you want to. Come on. There we go. There we go. At this point, we can trail. We can even get in more positions here, but don't be too crazy because there's a gap here as well. It's very weird. Okay, so this high probability target done. One more gap here, and we should move lower. Come on. Okay, I want to play cheeky one more time. All right, so we do move lower. Gap here, and we should move lower from here. All right. So at this point, we may be translating to some higher time frame structure. So I'm not going to make too many crazy calls. Let's just fast forward this. Oh, okay, target hit. Where would I go final target? I don't know, let's try this 4-month gap. Where would we go, right? Looks like we were just breaking down. $2.21. All right, so there you go. Pretty simple. We got a bit influenced by, I think the candles kind of showing us, but we managed to catch this short. I don't think it was biased, and yeah, catching those pips. So yeah, if you want to learn how to do this, give me a buzz. I'll be glad to teach you. Till next time, R2F signing out.